south side of Chicago. And when she first brought me back in '94, down in the basement of her childhood home, I found an old guitar. She said that was my great Uncle Bill's. I guess he left it